Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate percentage change in Excel. So you can see I have data. To calculate percentage change, select the cell is equal to in bracket. Select here the first new price C2, then minus old price B2, bracket close and divided by old price B2. After that, press the enter and here you see percentage change here calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and you can see the all product percentage change here calculated. Now select the entire column and go to the home tab. In number group, click on the percentage sign and that's it. You can see the percentage change here showing. Next, the status of percentage change. First, select the cell, use the is equal to, type here if, select the if function, then select the percentage change D2, use the greater than sign 0, comma, double quote, and type here increase word. So I type here increase, and then I use here the shortcut key, window key, dot to open the emoji dialog box. Then I scroll down and here I select the increasing chart. Okay, then I close this emoji dialog box and add here the double quote, comma, then type here if, select the if function, select again percentage change D2, use the less than sign, 0, comma, double quote, type here decrease, then add the chart, press the window key plus dot to open the emoji dialog box, then scroll down and select here decreasing chart, close this dialog box, again use here the double quote and bracket closed, again bracket close and press the enter and that's it. Here you can see the increase status. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and you can see here the status of percentage change. The positive percentage showing the increasing status, negative percentage showing the decreased status. Okay, now let's see one bonus trick with the conditional formatting. First, select the percentage change column. So I select here the entire column. Go to the home tab in styles group, click on the conditional formatting. Click on the highlight cells rule, click on the greater than, and here the one dialog box is open. And type here 0 and select the color. So just click on this drop down arrow and select green field with the dark green text. After that, I click on OK and here you see all positive percentage here field with the green color. Next, again, I click on the conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. Click on the second option, less than, and type here 0 and select the color. So click on this drop down arrow and select here light red field with the dark red text and click on OK. And here you see all minus percentage showing in red field color. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.